We're probably one of the premier providers of fabricated copper bus bar in the United States. We fabricate anything from 1 millimeter thick to 2-inch thick copper. At EMS, our focus is primarily on quick turnaround service and very high quality bus bar. A lot of times our customers don't even know what's coming next. So it has been a challenge, but we're geared with a lot of the most modern equipment to allow us for quick changeovers, large quantity, small quantity, anything quick turnaround is primarily the equipment that we have focused on. For a number of years, for a lot of custom contoured cutting, we used a water jet, and it's just beyond slow. Good quality machine, nice cut, but just the speed of it was slow until I found out about fiber lasers, and that was really a game changer for our company. When I first went out to Akron to see LVD, I was pretty impressed with their equipment. One of the biggest differences after looking at the LVD machine versus some of their competitors, this machine, this Electra, it was definitely, you can tell it was really built from the ground up compared to some of their competitors where it looked like they just used their CO2 platform and threw a fiber source on it. I mean, they really put some thought in there to figure out how the cutting speeds and the G-forces, the acceleration of the machine without shaking itself apart. So it's a solid machine. About 3 years ago, I had bought one of the first 4 kilowatt machines brought into the United States from LVD. And great machine, no problems, cut day in, day out, fast. And then they came up with a 8 kilowatt machine, which tripled to quadrupled my cutting speeds, allowed me to cut much thicker material, which I didn't have to use on the water jet anymore, which is nice. So feeds are just fantastic on this machine. The typical of what I've seen from the 4 kilowatt to the 8 kilowatt, on a thinner material, probably 5 to 6 times faster. On a thicker material, probably about 3 to 4 times faster. So it's been definitely a massive increase of speed. LVD's customer service has been really good. It's helped that they have a service center in the Midwest where we're at. Somebody's available all the time, virtually all the time, where I can get a hold of. And if I do need an actual service person here, usually within 24 hours I have somebody here. So their customer service has been probably one of the best out of all the equipment that I have. One of the functions that I like about the service is an app on the control called TeamViewer, which allows them to dial into my machine to diagnose, possibly fix. They also can help with cutting technologies if I have a poor cut for some reason on a different material. It's really easy without having an actual service technician here. Actually, I bought this machine off the floor at FabTech. We've got a good relationship between EMS and LVD. You know, they want to see us succeed more than anybody.